Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get low ping on Fortnite. Okay, it's a very simple method. Just go to your settings and just simply go to the game on the settings and simply choose the lowest ping server which you have. So my lowest ping server is Middle East, which is 83 ms, so I'm gonna choose it. Maybe if it is on the auto, so just choose that specific one which is the less and press apply. So by doing that, the server will be not be changed and you will be playing in the best ping server which is available for you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.